Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to assemble, operate, and care for this children's ride-on electric scooter. Make sure you have the instructions handy because it contains additional information about safety and assembly. Before you begin, it's always a good idea to make sure you have all of the pieces. If anything is missing or broken, it could compromise the safe operation of your child's vehicle. Step 1. Install the rear shock absorbers. Begin by placing the vehicle body on a flat surface. Cut off the zip ties on both shock absorbers. Each shock absorber has a connecting point on the rear wheel assembly. Remove the screws, slide the shock absorbers into place, and secure them with the nut and bolt. Use the provided wrenches to tighten them into place. Step 2. Install the kickstand. Remove the screws from the kickstand. Set the kickstand in place on the vehicle body and return the screws. Tighten them with the provided screwdriver. Step 3. Install the front wheel. On one side of the front axle, remove the nut, the fixing hook, washers, and spacer. Slide the axle through the front wheel, then place the wheel between the front forks. On each side of the wheel, there should be a washer, a spacer, a second washer, the fork itself, the fixing hook, and finally, the nut. Make sure the fixing hooks are locked into place and then use the provided tools to tighten the bolts. Step 4. Install the front fender. Slide the fender onto the front fork and secure it in place with a single screw. Step 5. Attach the front fork. Slide the front fork through the front of the vehicle body until it emerges through the top of the steering column. Step 6. Connect the handlebars. There are 4 sets of wires coming out of the vehicle body that must be connected to the wires coming out of the handlebars. Line up the plugs to their counterparts and snap everything together. Each plug will only fit with one other plug, so don't worry about getting anything mixed up. Step 7. Secure the handlebars. Install one washer onto the long flathead screw and then slide it through the handlebars into the front fork. Make sure it is tightened firmly before attaching the decorative plate. Step 8. Install the rear carrying handle. Remove the seat cover by loosening the back screw, and then remove the cover. Attach the carrying handle by aligning the screw holes and fixing it into place with 8 screws. Step 9. Connect the power cables. There are 2 sets of power cables under the seat that give power to the motors and the lights and horn. Step 10. Reattach the seat cover by setting the front part in place and lowering the back of the seat into position. Fix it into place with 1 screw. Step 11. Attach the accessories. Attach both side view mirrors onto the handlebars. Then install the spoiler at the rear of the vehicle body using 2 screws. Finally, snap the tail light cover into place. To charge the vehicle, simply plug the power cord into the charging port and connect it to a power outlet. It's recommended that you fully charge the battery before operation. Also, be sure not to charge the battery for longer than 12 hours, as this could damage the battery. Operation. Operating the vehicle is super easy. Just insert the key and turn it on. The switch on the left toggles between high and low speeds. Set the switch at the desired speed and use the right throttle to engage the motors. Pull the brake lever to slow down and stop. Congratulations, your child's scooter is ready to go. We hope you enjoy many years of safe and happy riding.